In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can animate still pictures in Adobe Premiere Pro. There are several ways you can do this, and they're quite simple, so I'm going to show you 3. First, select your image you want to animate, and the first option I will show is animating with panning. So for this, I'm first going to zoom in, and also going to adjust my picture so it's in the place I want to have it, and then I'm going to manipulate my position more towards the left and then make a keyframe. Now go forward in your timeline and then adjust your position again. In this case, I'm going towards the right, like that. And then now we have a slow animation, a panning animation going from left to right of our image. Let's Ctrl-Command-Z to undo this. The next option you have is creating a slow zoom. And to do this, we're first going to drag this anchor point to where we want the zoom to originate from. Something like this. And now we're going to create a keyframe on our scale. So let's say we want to start from 100%, just like this, and then move forward in our timeline. And then here, I'm going to increase my scale. And now we have a slow zoom. And it originates from where you have your anchor point. So that's another option you have. Animate with a slow zoom. Now let's Ctrl-Command-Z to undo this. And then the other option you have is combining a slow zoom with your scale. So let's go to the beginning of our timeline. Again, make a combination of our scale and rotation. So I'm going to make a keyframe for my scale, and let's put the scale at 1.5 and then the rotation at maybe make it 110 so I can rotate a bit easier. And let's make it -2 or -3, also an option. And then go forward in the timeline here, and let's make this scale 120 and this one 3. And now we have a combination of a slow zoom with a rotation. So those are 3 easy options to animate your image in Premiere Pro. You can, of course, play around with position, scale, rotation, and all those things to create an animation you like. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.